Good morning, everybody. Today we have a very major sell-off on the market, and you need to be brave to take advantage of this sell-off by buying stuff. You know, if you were trying to sell your things, I think you're too late to the party, and if you were trying to buy some puts for the future, I think it's still I think you're already too late with this type of decision. So if you wanted to do this, you should have done it when the market was hitting all-time highs, and that's what I was actually talking about it in the last few days, last week, when we have record numbers for Dow Jones and S&P 500 and everything else. I warned people that coronavirus is, as they were telling us, it has a pretty lengthy incubation period, meaning that after you get infected by coronavirus, it might take you 2 weeks to a month to develop any kind of symptoms and to start actually feeling bad and getting, fever and possibly die. So the major, I guess, alarm that we had and the major spread of the disease was announced more or less about a month ago in the end of January. And now if you count it, it's exactly about a month from that point when incubation period and a lot of infected people is going to be coming to the end, where the virus will actually strike, and you will see the symptoms. So basically, if you time the market based on the coronavirus incubation period, you could actually play along and make some very serious money on the stock market. So it was kind of surprising to me that just last week we were hitting all-time highs on Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ, even though everybody knew that the coronavirus is spreading, and I guess people just they get used to the fear, and then they start to kind of mentally isolate themselves from this type of panic, because you cannot worry about the same exact thing all the time, especially if you can't really do much about it, right? So but obviously when coronavirus start to spread in South Korea and Italy, out of 2 countries outside of China, I guess people started to worry about it much more, and this type of sell-off was triggered. But at the same time, money, they do escape some markets, but they also go to different markets for like a safe harbor, because it's just physically not possible to free all the cash from the stock market, because the stock market is worth a lot more than available cash in all the banks and all the assets that people hold. So it's no wonder that gold is going up, because this is another asset that people could actually shift their money to without getting cash out of the market. So it's kind of like a safe harbor for a lot of people to sell the stock market, immediately invest it into gold. So buy gold, buy precious metals such as silver, and but also consider buying blue chips, because I think they will bounce back with a bang, and you should be able to make quite a bit of money. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading.